Let's see. We'll console log the actor's name. We'll console log the max level before and after doing this calculation, just to see if we can isolate the problem to that function or if it's something else. Don't think I need to do that, but I may as well. Okay, let's see. Alright, start off at 10 and then it became 99. Okay. So let's see. Take the maximum out of the level we want to set it at, or the minimum level. So if this is 11, 11 wins. And we take the minimum, what is lower, 11 or 99? It should be 11. So why does it become 99? Okay, let's break it right down. Oh my. Okay. So when we're capturing the level delta in here, we're not casting it as a number. So it's trying to add two strings, which makes a really high number instead of just adding the numbers together. Adds the strings together. So there we go. Now it's made it 11. Now it's going to be 12. Now it's 13. Okay, so the max level is increasing as expected. So let's see if the other weird thing has been fixed with the experience seemingly going to the minuses. So there we go. So current XP to next level, fine. Talk to this person. Yeah, it's still in the minus, so I think it's something to do with still adding experience even though you've hit the max level. Maybe we need to stop it from doing that. Yeah. So let's have a look at how we give out experience. Gain EXP. change exp. Yep, so it just always adds experience, even if it shouldn't. So where is gain exp? If gain exp just calls change exp, then it means we only need to alter change exp. Yep, yep. So we just need this. I think I'll try and not overwrite this. So at the end, I would maybe like to say if this is max level, set the exp equal to how much they require to hit that level. How do we calculate? Current level exp. Brilliant. If they are already the max level, exp, set exp amount. This dot current current level exp. Is there a set exp? It's maybe just this. Let's say set exp. Exp amount. We won't return, we'll just say this is equal to exp amount. Now I don't know if this is absolutely dangerous and it can wreck the game, but I'm gonna try it out, see how it works. This dot set exp equal to set exp amount. So after doing all of this, after gaining experience, you know what, maybe we don't even need this. You know what, we do need this. At the top we will say if this is max level, return, because I don't think we want to gain experience if we're already max level. If we are not max level, it will do this and then check if we've suddenly hit max level. And then at the end, we will just catch that. Yeah, so if we level up during this, we catch it at the end and then say, okay, let's just set the experience equal to the amount that they need rather than allowing them to go above. So this stuff is what is inside here. So we can just grab this and put it in the middle, call this, and then pass in XP and show. So this is always required when you call, but then the two parameters at the end, just tack it on. Alright, well let's just test this. Let's just give it a run. It's going to be kind of difficult testing this, I think. maybe we can console log this dot current exp, and then at the after this we will echo that, well, we will console log the same thing. So we'll get to see if we would have had more and if it's chopped it off. So let's see. Um, let's see what is max level is pushing back. That's maybe the problem here. Is max level. Nah, it should be fine because it's just getting max level from here, which we are overwriting here. Alright, so it probably isn't doing this because we have already done that. So everyone's getting quite high in experience levels. Let's just keep that going so it's more obvious. So Reed is still level 10. Let's go bomb. No longer in the minus, which is a good sign. If we get some experience here, we see it's quite low compared to the rest, assuming that's Reed. Again. Again. And there we go. He had 7,096 and we capped it at 7,019, which I'm assuming is what's required to get to level 11. So that part of it looks good. Wow, is that a really quick one? So we talk again. Still looks good. Level 13. I think that's probably hit cap again. Yeah, cool. So let's just try going down a level. Now I don't know what is involved in losing levels in RPG Maker. If it means you're gonna... Yeah, I don't know. Would you lose your skills or have you already learned them? Okay, so this would be... If level delta is less than 0, level lowered, we'll call that. And then we'll do the same thing here. We're going to say if level delta is less than 0, level lowered, and we'll pass in the game actor. So we'll make a function for this, level lowered. Level down. So when we level up, we gain skills, but when we level down, we don't. So maybe we can just do the same thing. While be while actors max level or their current level. How do you get the level? Just dot level. Okay. Well, the actor's level is greater than the actor's max level we've created. Level down. And we'll see if the experience is still wonky from doing this. Let's do like -1, I suppose. So he's level 10. You bump it down. This level down. Oh, it's not this. It's actor. Okay. So we leveled down. Let's see. It's put him down to level 9. It still says that's how we can actually see his experience, which is kind of annoying. Okay, we need one of each. Have this dude value up. Okay, so level down. Then we say level up again. 0 to next level. So yeah, it looks like we've got the same problem. We need to reset their experience to match actor dot set experience equal to same thing. Alright, level 10, we'll bump him down to level 9. All good. And we'll put him up again. Alright, so that looks good. Okay, so we start gaining experience again. And that looks like it capped off again, as it said he had 5.7, but it's bumped it back down to 5.2. Yep, he's max level. Okay. Well, that's good. I think it's mostly done. Get the console logs out of here. What did I just break there? There we go. And reduce the level and experience if it go above the current max, which is done. So in here, I think I just need to do window max level utility equals max level utility. And that means I should be able to just call this as a script call now. So let's make a guy down here. Say script, change max level all. We'll say, I guess we'll just do one again, just to keep it easy. So we'll blast some experience. Right, so he's level 10, and then we click on this person. And it looks like he can level up again. Level 11, and now that's his new max. Okay. Cool. So that's how we do a script call as well. And then what's the other one? Just change max level. Actor ID and y equals level delta. So how can I make this work in items? Alright, I just made another plugin, which it's maybe not the best result. Since we're trying to, it would be nice to have it with some kind of built-in way, but I don't know if it's possible. So I made a plugin that just captures the target of an item and puts it in a variable. So here we can grab target ID or target actor from variable here. We'll say it's the target actor ID because it's not actually the actor. And then, so yeah, just to show you how this works, the item target is going to, if we use this on Casey, it will put the number 6 inside the variable 1. So that's all it is. So when we use this item now, common event, we'll be able to grab the actor from this variable, and then we can just pass that into our code. So this script call here, and we can say, what's the actor ID? Well, it's this one here, target actor ID, and we want to increase their max level by 1. Say max level up. So this should be working now. Right, Reed is level 10 with max level. Doesn't look like he can level up anymore. Let's grab an item. Max level up on Reed. It seems to have done something, and now he can level up again. Very cool. Um, just one little thing. I want to be done with this, but one little thing just cropped into my head there. Let's just say show max level in menu. Default is going to be, we'll just say true, why not? So show level equals params dot show, but we need to say, is this equal to true? And that will give us a boolean true or false. Status. So it's something like draw status, draw actor simple status. Draw actor level sounds what we're looking for. This is the base way of drawing an actor's level. So hopefully this shows in all windows because that's kind of the point. Let's do a little header. Window status base draw actor level. I will just copy this. So if that is, well, yeah, if we don't want to, if we do want to do that, we will run some code. Otherwise, we will just call the regular draw method, which is this. But if we do want to do our own thing, then let's just keep most of what's here, but then alter this. So we'll say plus that plus actor dot max level. Now this is a bit hacky. Yeah, it's a bit hacky. It might not look the best and stuff, but this is more just to give you an idea of how you can use it or how you can display it. Is that because I don't have it here? There we go. Let's just see if that helps. Right, it's a bit crushed as well. Maybe we need to give it a bit more space. 36 is the width we've allowed. 64? Maybe you should do just times 2. Give it. Oh, this is getting really bad now. If I do times 2, we're not giving it quite enough space to draw the level. Times 3 might be a bit too much though. We'll see. We'll see what breaks. Okay, now it's being drawn too far away. We can come in. So you see what I'm doing here? This is maybe not the best. You want to have probably more of a rigid way of defining this. But what I'm doing here is saying if we're actually drawing 3 times the space, then I want to remove 2 lots of that from where we're starting to draw. So instead of starting over here, this will bring it in. And we're done with the actual important part of the plugin. If you don't want to watch this, that's fine. So we got skill, it draws it there. Go to status, it draws it there. We gain a lot of experience. 10 out of 10. And then we can use the item on read. 10 out of 11. Talk to this person. Oh, that brings him down again. Oh yeah, oops. So yeah, that's cool. 7 out of 7. Level up again. 7 out of 14, 7 out of 15. Alright, we're back at 15. And drop it down again. 14. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Looks cool. Alright, yeah, thanks for watching. It's kind of annoying that there didn't seem to be a built-in way of catching the target who was who had an item used on them, but that's fine. I guess it just led me to make another plugin video, and probably you can get use out of that elsewhere. The reason I made it a separate plugin is because it's it's not specific to this. It's not specific to raising or lowering your max level, so it's good to have it as a separate plugin. But anyway, that's enough rambling. Yep. Like and subscribe and all that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.